Hey everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to be doing a plan with me using our Fairytale Weekly Kit. It's available in our shop right now. It's in silver foil and it's sort of like a Halloween-esque type of kit. But I'm also pulling in some Halloween foiled stickers that are also available in our shop. And those foiled stickers, I have them here in hollow foil. So in this plan with me, I'm going to be doing sort of like a solo podcast episode almost. But I'm just going to be talking about Meta's new Threads app, as well as some tea that I saw on Threads regarding helping other sticker shop owners. So if you're interested, keep listening. If you're not already, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell to turn on notifications, and leave a comment letting me know what I should talk about in the next Plan With Me video, because I'm planning on doing these videos every single week, hopefully posting on Mondays. So let's go ahead and get into it. I also recorded a reel, like an ASMR Plan With Me reel for this weekly kit, so that's why I have like a bajillion stickers on my arm. Here I'm just struggling to figure out where I want to put that full box. It's been a minute since I've planned in like a 7x9 planner, because last year I was using a plum paper planner, which has kind of different dimensions from like a EC or just like your typical 7x9 A5 wide planner. So didn't do very much sticker planning when I was in that planner. So that planner did end in June. So that's why I've switched over to a new planner, and I'm just trying to find my footing back with the stickers. Okay, I decided I'm gonna speed up this video by 2x because I can't talk for 23 minutes about nothing. So yeah, this video is now gonna be 12 minutes long, so I think that's a lot more doable. But here I'm just working on the sidebar. I'm putting down my habit trackers and then like a weekly sidebar sticker. And then in between I'm putting in some Halloween dividers. And then I'm also layering some scalloped headers on top of the sidebar stickers. So that's my sidebar. I'm also at the bottom, I'm going to be putting in the rest of the bottom washi so that it is completed. Now I'm just going to be putting headers all across the very top. I don't know how much you want me to share of like what I'm doing in my planner versus the topic I'm going to be talking about. So also let me know in the comments because I have no idea. But let's go ahead and get into the meat of this episode. Okay, I want to know who is on Threads because I have made a Thread account for Sticker Guru. I'm pulling it up right now, but we haven't posted anything yet. I also have a Threads for my personal account, which I also haven't posted anything. I just am not the biggest Twitter user these days. I haven't really used Twitter since 2016, like when I was in high school. So yeah, I feel like back then Twitter kind of lost popularity and Instagram was all the rage. So all of my college friends are on Instagram, and like I didn't really use Twitter because no one else was using Twitter. So yeah, I'm not really sure how I feel about Threads in terms of how can we utilize this for our business in any way, any useful way. So far have not really figured it out. I feel like it's more like behind the scenes slash like maybe useful for community building. But yeah, I'm curious to hear your thoughts on Threads, if you like it at all. or if you're just like, I don't know, you have an account but you haven't posted anything. I've kind of just been scrolling to see what kind of stuff people are posting on Threads. It's kind of a mixed bag up here. A lot of just like, I don't know, random things that aren't relevant to anything, I guess. But that is just Twitter. I mean, people be tweeting like the most random things. I did see a thread on my feed the other day. It was something like, um, I forget who posted it. It was, I'm forgetting off the top of my head, but someone who was a shop owner said that she was friends with somebody, like helping them out with their sticker shop, um, or something like that. And then, like, one day out of the blue, they just got like blocked, the shop owner who was helping the other person. Their friend just like ghosted them and blocked them everywhere. And then I saw a reply because I was just reading through the thread. Someone else was like, yeah, this is why I don't help others anymore. Like, this is why people like gatekeep information because they're afraid of being just blocked and ghosted, or like, I don't know, like you think somebody is your friend and then they just like take advantage of you, of your kindness and of your knowledge. And I know we post a lot of like educational content, and like that's kind of the audience that we're targeting, is like people who are interested in starting their own sticker shop. We post a lot of inspirational content. So we definitely get a lot of DMs of people asking us questions regarding how to start a sticker shop, like how do I grow my sticker shop. And I will say, we never really responded to those kind of messages in the past, like before we were doing all the Big Plans Academy stuff. We were just bad at responding to messages in general back then, before we hired Pearl, who is our social media manager, and now she helps respond to messages and reply to comments, which has been like a total game changer for us and really took a lot of pressure off of posting on Instagram. But what was I saying? Oh, now that we have created Big Plans Academy, and like we have a lot of free educational content on our Instagram, as well as on our Big Plans Academy website. We have a lot of freebies. But now that we have like built up all of this free content, it's easy to just direct somebody to the free content. And that way it's kind of like a barrier almost, where like we don't have to spend 20 minutes replying to somebody's message, of what you need to start a sticker shop. We already like have that information readily available for anyone who's interested on our page. And so that's been really helpful for us. Kind of prevents being like taken advantage of, because we have that readily available for anybody who's interested. We still get like random questions here or there where, like, depending on how long it would take us to reply, if it's like a quick 30-second 1 minute response to type out, like, sure, I'll type out a response and message back. But if it's gonna be like a 10-step, this is gonna take like 20 minutes for me to come up with an answer, that's like personal to you, then I'm probably not going to respond to that, just simply because if I respond to one person, like, I have to respond to everyone, so it's not really fair. Also, it's very time consuming to do that, and sometimes we are just really, really busy. So we do offer one-on-one coaching, is what I wanted to say from all this. So that kind of, if someone is like asking for a lot from us for free, we kind of just direct them over to our coaching calls if they're interested in that. But otherwise, we have a lot of free content on our YouTube, our podcast, our Instagram, like all over. So there's really no reason why someone should be like, all up in our DMs being like, give me all this free information, which we were getting a lot of that before. So having all these resources that we've created, it's really been so great for us. And that's not to say that you should, always have to like think twice when you're chatting with a aspiring sticker shop owner or someone who is already a sticker shop owner. Like, I'm not trying to scare you into not making any friends, because we are firm believers in community over competition. That's really the reason why we created Big Plans Academy, is so that we could help other sticker shop owners or aspiring sticker shop owners in a way that is both beneficial to us as well as to you. So that's the reason why we've created, our podcast. Our podcast is like completely free. We don't make very much at all from the revenue, from like the ad revenue. So yeah, we truly do want to help as many people as possible. Creating Big Plans Academy has definitely been the best way for us to help others. So yeah, that has been my 2 cents on helping other aspiring sticker shop owners. Let me know your thoughts on threads, as well as sharing information when it comes to helping others start their own sticker shop. And lastly, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more of our videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!